Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is Magic Ocean box com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, the site sells different varieties of items like accessories and clothing ones. Here we can see that they have categories like summer dresses, tops, shoes, accessories, and they also have themes like Halloween. They are also having a mega sale right now, and they are also having a bundle sale. Here they have showcased some of their best selling items, and as we can see, the prices of these products are quite discounted. The designs are very chic and very beautiful. Now here at the bottom page, when we click on the payment method, they have mentioned that they will take only PayPal as their mode of payment. Now let's check out their shipping policy. So here they have mentioned that they will take around 7 to 15 business days to deliver your order, and they have also mentioned some of the other details regarding the shipping policy. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about on those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 17th May 2020, which means the site is only 4 months old, which is too new to be trusted right now as new websites do not have credibility. Now let's check out the About Us section. So here they have mentioned some of the details like their mission, but they have not mentioned much regarding the owner's identity. Also, the information given here seems to be a bit copied as it does not hold any uniqueness as much. Also, the prices are quite discounted and they have very limited payment methods. Now let's check out their Contact Us section. So here they have given their contact service email ID which matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. They have also given contact address and also a query form which you can fill and ask your queries about. If we talk about the social media presence, the site is not active on any social media presence, which is a bad thing. Now let's check out their return policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite good. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Coming to the customer reviews, the site is having bad customer reviews. People are not satisfied with the services of this website, as they say that the product does not matches with the description and etc. So people are mostly suspicious and not very in and mostly are against this site. Coming to the website content quality, the website content quality is mediocre. It is neither too good, neither too bad. Although the information given here does not look to be very much authentic, some of the information are contradicting and fake too. So giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you as it can be a possible scam. So we ask you to wait for the site to gain some positive reviews and positive aspects, then you can go ahead with your shopping with this website. Till then, do not buy anything from this website. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.